Hey everyone, Billy Foulkes with MarineMax Houston. Today I wanted to show you this listing that we have. It's a 2019 190 SPX by Sea Ray boats. It's in great condition. We have the white hull sides, black bottom, stainless steel insert in the rub rail. We have board racks, of course the water sports tower with the bimini, Alpha 1 drive on the back, nice aluminum propeller right there, no scratches on the lower unit. Boat is in overall good condition. You should definitely come see it for yourself in person. Give me a call. Let's go ahead and check out the inside. Here we are inside the 190 SPX. So we have the white interior, 5-inch Simrad display, your tachometer, additional engine information. If we can see it, looks like fuel, trim, pressure, oil, water, fusion stereo. This does have the upgraded sound system with the subwoofer. Also 4 speakers, 2 in the front, 2 back here, 1 there, 1 back there. Nice sun pad area, SeaDek throughout the boat. Then a seat over here. That seat does pull out and stores under that seat. Let's go ahead and check out the motor. 200 4.5 Mercruiser. Got the boat cover in there, but no rust coming from the manifolds or anywhere on this boat because it was a freshwater boat.